My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2025 focus. Oxidation number of potassium in K2O, K2O2, KO2 respectively. A very easy question, easily we can answer within second. Why sir? This is a potassium oxide, this is a potassium peroxide, KO2 is a potassium superoxide. One is a oxide, another is a peroxide, another is a superoxide. Okay. But in all oxides, potassium is a alkali metal, that is a first group element. All alkali metal shows +1 oxidation state. So potassium also shows +1 oxidation state is the right answer. +1 is the right answer. You don't bother about this is a potassium oxide, this is a potassium peroxide, this is a potassium superoxide. You simply, if they mention potassium, you simply write +1. Since potassium is a alkali metal, they show +1 oxidation state. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are called alkali metals, you know. Again, if you go deeply, you see K2O, this is a potassium oxide, normal oxide. You can write K plus O2 minus. Potassium oxide, K plus O2 minus. Potassium peroxide, we can write K plus O2 2 minus. O2 2 minus means each O shows -1. Please note it. O2 2 minus means each O shows -1. In peroxides, oxygen shows -1. Okay. Potassium superoxides, K plus, okay, O2 minus, only -1, K plus O2 minus. O2 minus means each oxygen source minus of. O2 minus means each oxygen source minus of. Two oxygen source, they show -1. Each oxygen source minus of. Here 2 oxygen shows, 2 oxygen sum is nothing but -1. So you simply, there is somewhat little bit confusion. K plus O2 minus, normal oxide. Normal oxides, oxygen source -2. Potassium peroxide, K plus O2 2 minus. O2 2 minus means here each oxygen shows -1 oxidation state. Here 2 O's are there. Each oxygen shows -1 oxidation state. Okay. This is a peroxide. In peroxide, oxygen shows -1. Okay. This is a superoxide, K plus O2 minus 1. O2 minus 1. O2 minus 1 means each O shows -. Okay. Thank you.